Hi guys, so today we're going to see how we can change the battery of a BMW key. This is a key from the BMW F10 120i, which is pretty much standard for all other BMWs as well since 2015 I think. So let's see how we can change it, and it is pretty straightforward actually. So first thing is that here you see a knob at the back of your key, so you have to push this one and pull the manual backup key. So this is going to be used if you are stuck, your battery doesn't work, you have to open your doors. So we keep this one aside for now. So here's our key, and here you can see at this part here there is a really small knob here. All you have to do is push this upwards. So you put your screwdriver in and push it upwards. So let's do it. So you hear the click, it's unlocked. All you have to do is pull it out. So here we have our old key, old battery. It's from Sony. I have a replacement battery here for CA2450. There's a small B, I don't know if you can see, but that's it. So we're going to take the battery out. Put the new battery in and then close the cover. We have to push a little bit here so that it clicks in. So yeah, it's locked again. Okay, now we're done. So we put the key inside and our battery is replaced.